love you.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. What are you bringing to us today?
This is for my little sister Absah. We got it from YouTube.
Yes.
They sent us to it.
And where is the link to this product? In the description
in
of the video.
Description below.
Yes, buy from there.
It's called.
Show it to us. Show it to us.
And now I'm gonna open.
Show it to us first. Yay! This is a cozy baby bath set. Baby seat है ये, baby seat. Bathing seat है.
Now I'm gonna open it.
Oh, this is a cozy baby bathing seat. Oh, आराम से. Yes.
These are all the pieces.
Yes, we'll join them together to make the seat.
Oh, let me do it. I'm a good builder.
Okay.
Yeah, we're both good builders.
6, 7. Okay.
6, 7.
Okay.
There's goes like here. Yeah,
Okay.
And you put this light over here. Press it down.
Okay. Oh, wow. You did a great job.
And then you have to open these pieces.
Okay.
And then you put this
Okay.
here. Like you have to angle it. You have to angle. Wait, just leave it like this. Just leave it like this. Okay.
So how do you do that?
We put it like that, and now it's finished. It's finished.
Yay!
Very light,
You made it.
and it's very light.
Huh.
So
It's light in weight. Yes.
So we can carry it easily.
We could carry some.
Can I
Yeah.
put Absah in?
Yes. Kindly let Absah sit into it.
Black inside.
Huh?
There's
Okay.
something black. Okay, Ali, put it over there, and then you put her legs in first. And then you put her legs in first.
Okay.
Do that, and then Absah. Do that, and then do that.
Oh, yes, Absah. And let me show you the cover also. Thank you for this cozy baby bath seat. Yes, thank you very much. And you can find the link in the description below. Buy from there. Okay, look at the camera, please. Make a pose. Yay! अहमद अच्छे से पोज बनाए. हाँ. Okay.
Love you all. This is Hafiz. 6, 7.
Timanala. Yay! Instruction manual, everything is given here, so you can fix it easily like our kids did. Let me show it to you. Get it now, buy it now. Yes.
Your turn.
Absah, I love you, Absah. I love you.